Coucou tout le monde, j'espère que vous allez bien. Moi aussi, je vais bien. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Today we are in Dubai Mall. This is currently the situation. Some people are stuck, some people can't make it to go there. This is the current situation at Dubai Mall. We are trying to make it to Burj Khalifa, where they are going to be live show of fireworks. Some they made it, some they didn't made it, but it is what it is. So here we go, we are here. So as you can see, it wasn't easy, even because to reach here you have to book your ticket before, and some people are stuck. Luckily there was a way, Yani. There was a way, so we are here waiting. The show is going to start in a short time, so be patient. Even though I don't know how I will figure it out for having a good video, but okay, you will take it as it is. But the thing is that you enjoy with me the fireworks at Burj Khalifa. Bye more. Oh, the show is starting, so enjoy and have fun. Here we start. Woo! See, I'm trying to figure out how the projection will be. You know, Burj Khalifa is tall, so there is no other way. We will take it like it is. We take it like this. What? Yeah, like this. So okay, I'm so sorry. I know this video is kinda horizontal, but I have no other way to show you the top of Burj Khalifa. So enjoy in just few seconds. The show till it ends. This is the only way I figure out how I can get this tallest building. Okay, thank you guys.